I just took my last final. It's freezing cold.
Unless 81st
Yeah.
Good morning, vlog day number, I don't know what today is, 18. So, I can't talk. I'm about to go to Hobby Lobby. I need to go finally do something with those pillows because they are not festive. But it's already the 18th. Like, Christmas is almost here and that's so scary to me. I still don't have like my Christmas outfit, so I'm just like, oh. I might go shopping on the 21st. That means it'll only be like 3 more days till my Christmas party. Or 2. 3. 2. Let's go to Hobby Lobby. It's time for my once a vlog talk where I tell you guys that I suck at vlogging. So if you don't get good shots at Hobby Lobby, I am so sorry. Look how tan I look. Forgot my necklaces. I forgot to wear any jewelry, so I feel kind of awkward for some reason. Like, I don't like going out without jewelry. And here I am. Let's go to Hobby Lobby. Things I do for this channel. I'm debating between this gold one or this Christmas one. Did I need to make this much damage today? No. Did I make it? Yes. Do I regret it? You're darn right I don't. So now it's time for a Hobby Lobby fall. Not Hobby Lobby fall. It's time for a Hobby Lobby haul. I spent a whopping $32.91 because lots of things were 66% off. Fun. Broke. Let's start off with the things that I did want to just buy before I ended up just buying everything else. So I ended up getting 2 fabrics. I bought this like really cute plaid one because I wanted like a plaid pillow, and this one that's just like Christmassy. I bought this Christmas pillowcase, so as you can see that's not gonna fit it. And then I didn't want to buy any like fabric glue because all the reviews were like bad. I just bought regular glue sticks. I'm just gonna hope for the best. And then all the useless stuff that I really didn't need to buy, but I decided to buy. I bought more things for my little Christmas tree, which I don't even think it'll hold. I even bought a tree topper because that thing is like so little, it's like about to break. Like, you guys saw it. At Hobby Lobby they had like these really like nice little Christmas trees, but I was like, it's fine. We're not gonna discriminate my little naked tree, so we're just gonna like leave her, let her be. Also bought some gold tinsel. And now like the more useless things, I guess these are all kind of useless. I bought this thing that says milk and cookies served nightly through Christmas. This red picture frame to trade out my rose gold one because my rose gold one is not Christmassy. And the most useless purchase of all were these little Christmas paper clips because the ones that hold my Polaroid on my grid are clear, and so I wanted Christmas ones. So yeah, like I said, useless. Okay, now I gotta put everything back in the bag. Call me the new Hobby Lobby bag boy. Oops. So it's so cute. This is what I have so far, and it's so festive. I love it. Cute. Now let's do all the other things. Oh my god, I love it! So this is what I have so far. Super cute, very festive. I love it! So I didn't know what I wanted to do with this mirror, so I just added the gold tinsel. So for this one, I changed all like the paper clips, so now they're like Christmassy. All that's left is to make ribbon bows with this, and I don't know how. And I'm about to YouTube it because that's literally what YouTube is here for, to help me do things. Let's do DIY ribbon bows. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do probably the loop wire ribbon bow. Wrap it around like so. Wait, okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, look, we did it. Lord DIY who? It's Din DIY now. How cute. I love it. Voila. Oh my gosh, I'm so good at this. Now where am I gonna put it? This is basically all I have for today, just because I'm gonna go to work and this is all I'm gonna do. So I guess I'm gonna just give you a quick little room tour of like everything that I did, just kind of like in full, and then I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, happy December 19th. It is currently 9 a.m. I'm about to go get ready to go film my Christmas wish list video. I'm a big fan of like fake lashes, and you guys know I only ever use one like specific pair of lashes, which are the Eyler Vegas Nate Baron's Beauty lashes. These are my all-time favorite lashes. I think these are like the prettiest drugstore lashes, but I went to Sephora yesterday because I really wanted a pair of Lily lashes. These are in the style Mykonos, just because our Christmas party this year is gonna be like in, I guess, a ballroom, I guess is what you could call it. It's this like place that they rented out or something. So I really want to go all out. I still don't have my outfit, which is really stressing me out. I'm gonna ask a friend to go with me like Thursday or something, probably like 2 days before Christmas, just because I want to see what they have. The only dresses that I found were the Hollister ones, but they're like $50-$60, and I didn't really like how they looked on, so I have to keep looking at it. It's too late for me to order unless I like pay for express shipping, and I'm not really trying to do that because who knows when it'll get shipped and if it'll come before Christmas. My only like hope right now is to just look for stuff at the mall. I'm gonna go get ready, film this video, and then I will come back to you guys. And so I put you on a tripod because we're gonna wrap some presents today. My parents started putting like their Christmas presents like under the tree, so I decided to just put my presents to them under the tree. We're gonna do that. Now I gotta go get everything from the closet. BRB. Oh, okay. I think I'm just gonna start wrapping everyone else's presents too. So we're gonna start with my parents' presents because I'm pretty sure they don't watch my channel. Hopefully, because all of a sudden every friend of mine wants to watch my channel when I'm buying Christmas presents. My mother decided to use all the beautiful wrapping paper, so now I have kind of ugly wrapping paper and then Santa Claus wrapping paper. So I'll show you guys what I bought for people. So for my brother, I bought him this champion t-shirt. It's just a maroon t-shirt. This isn't a try-on haul because these things aren't for me, nor will they fit me. I bought this at JCPenney, so I don't know how authentic this is. It smells like JCPenney. In this bag, I just have a whole bunch of chocolates and I'm gonna give my parents and Oscar. And for my dad, I got him this black long sleeve. For my mom, I bought her this travel makeup case. This is from my dad to my mom, bought by me, paid for by my dad. Those were all like my family members' presents. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my friends' presents. Marisha and Rosie, if you are watching up to this point, please skip ahead. I will have the time on the screen for you. Skip to here. And then my friend Jack, I have one of his presents in the mail, and I ordered that in November, and I'm kind of scared that I won't be here, so hopefully it gets here before Christmas so I can wrap it and have it ready, but this is what I have. Alright, so this is all I have so far. Of course, I'm gonna put like my family Christmas presents under the tree. Good morning, vlog day 20. So I'm about to go to the mall to go shopping for Christmas presents. So I just came back from the mall. These are like all the little goodies that I bought. Oh, but happy December 20th. So there's a huge mess behind me. Don't mind that. That's not what we're here for. We're here to wrap the rest of the presents. I just watched Baekhyun's live stream, or like his little Instagram live. Have no idea what the heck he was saying. I just watched it because I love him. It's so weird. All I got was annyeong and that's it. This is literally, I've screen recorded just so I can post it.
Merry little Christmas.